Hey, welcome to SquareMax Customs. This week we're going to install this Powerstroke transmission cooler on this Duramax-swapped Squarebody. This episode is sponsored by Spelab Auto Parts, so if you're thinking about getting any parts, head on over to SPELABAUTOPARTS.com and check that out. And before you check out, make sure you put in code SMC15 to save 15% off store-wide, site-wide. Check out everything that came with this transmission cooler. It was very well packaged, had foam all the way around it, came with transmission cooler lines, very nice. Came with a bracket kit with some hardware. Now you have to remember that this kit does not technically fit this truck, but this is a custom shop and that is a custom truck, so we're gonna custom fit that transmission cooler right there, that very, very pretty transmission cooler right in there. Need to keep that Allison cool when we're towing. I'm gonna leave a link to this kit in the description, but I'm also gonna leave a link to the website in the description. That way you can go check out what they have, and if you're not into customizing stuff, you can just punch in what your truck is and see all the stuff they offer for it. SMC15 at checkout, save that 15%. Well, I got the tranny fluid all drained, and now I'm gonna pull the grill out because, well, my old transmission cooler's behind here. So this new transmission cooler should keep our tow pig much more cool. If you're new to the channel, this is our tow pig, and it tows everything that you see on this channel. So I'll get this grill off, and we'll get the old transmission cooler out, and on to the next step. This is gonna be a crazy upgrade from what we had. So quick story, I was in a bind one time. These are two stock 2500 HD Duramax Allison transmission coolers, and well, the tranny was running a little warmer than we like, so we connected two together. It was a temporary fix that's been on there for 2 years. It sort of turned permanent, but thanks to Spelab, thank you for the transmission cooler, we're finally gonna upgrade it and not have to worry about our tow pig, you know, overheating anymore. So I debated on putting it back here, but we might as well move it anyways. That way it'll keep the radiator and everything else can stay cooler. Plus, that transmission cooler is a lot wider, so I'd have to cut part of my support out, and I really don't want to do that. So what I've decided to do for multiple reasons is I'm going to install it right in behind my bumper. It's all cut out for it anyways. It's got perfect airflow. It'll look awesome back there. And these mounts line up perfectly with my bumper mount, so I can just drill 4 holes, bolt her up, bottom mount, hook up some new hoses that they sent. I got to build a fitting for the other end, but we're one step closer. So I'm gonna get my grill and headlights all bolted back together because I don't need that apart anymore, and we'll start drilling some holes to mount this underneath that bumper. Check it out, it's all mounted up in there, tucked away. You can't even see it. Now the radiator is gonna be able to breathe even better. I have all 4 corners mounted down. It looks good all tucked up in there. She's not going nowhere. Now I just got to get these lines adapted to fit the Duramax lines. Check these lines out. Oh, they're nice. Very nice. And check out the little fittings they have to lock everything in place. Little rubber pieces on them. I like it. I like it very, very much. All right. I'm gonna get these adapted to fit the Duramax lines, and we should be able to fill her up with transmission fluid, and well, she should be able to, she's ready to rock and roll is what I'm trying to tell y'all. She's ready to go tow. What, buddy, what? You just asked to come inside. She's all up in there. We got the lines all hooked up. They look good. Well, that's it this week. I mean, it was a transmission cooler and it was super simple to install. Spelab, I really appreciate that. And if you guys are looking for any parts, remember, it don't have to be a transmission cooler. We have an exhaust on this. We have a cold air intake on this. We have a differential cover. They have all sorts of stuff. And it don't just have to be diesel. They have some gasoline stuff as well. Either way, check them out, SPELABAUTOPARTS.com. I'm going to leave a link to this transmission cooler in the description. I'm also going to leave a link for their website because that SMC15 gets you 15% off anything on the site. As always, I appreciate you watching. Rock out. I'll see you on the next episode.